So how I would start building my online business as a complete beginner if I only had $30. Now this is part 2. If you want to check out, don't forget to check out part 1, 3 and 4 to find out how I would build an online business with only $30 or less. So the second thing I would do is actually sign up for completely free software. Yep, this one's not even going to cost you a cent. Now this free software would allow me to start building my most important asset as a marketer, and that would be my email list. So this free software is first of all going to let me build a simple one-page website or sales funnel that is going to capture people's email addresses. So I'm building my email list. It's also going to be my email autoresponder so that I can send emails to my audience promoting my various products and offers. So that is the second thing I would do if I was building out my business with $30 or less. And like I said, this one's not even going to cost you anything. Now, if you like this content, then please like and follow and also comment 30 and I'll reach out the details of how you can get started. And don't forget to check out parts 1, 3 and 4.